So if we just take a step back and ask ourselves about this whole business of deviation, why do we ever want to consider deviation? Why not just follow the full rule set? Well, basically, there's a couple of important reasons why it's necessary, and they are largely pragmatic, the reasons that I'm going to run through here. The first one is that there are a lot of rules. I mean, MISRA 2012 has 140, I think it is. There's certainly been over 100, 120 in the original set. So there's been a lot of rules produced at all different points in time. And if you have an existing code base, or you're contemplating, you're even commencing development, there are still a lot of rules to follow. So the size of the rule set is one very particular reason. Another one that I'm going to come back to and just delve into in a little bit more detail is this idea of legacy code. And legacy code can be a couple of different things, but fundamentally it's code that you feel is proven through use and doesn't require to be refactored in order to make it fully MISRA compliant. And I'll come back and talk about the couple of different situations where that might occur. Another possible reason, and I think the motor industry probably has quite a few situations where this occurs, the complexity of build and the fact that maybe you have a core within any given project. You may have a core part of your development, but with lots of variants to meet different eventual targets for that code base, means that you can push a lot of the code can be factored in or out depending on the particular target that you're working with, and that can result in a build complexity issue, which can result in issues in the in static analysis terms and in rule compliance terms. And I'm going to come back and talk just a little bit more about that. And of course, the last one is that we're dealing with an embedded environment, and we're also trying to be compliant to the C language, but embedded environments do extend the C language in various ways. And there can be quite a few reasons, and there could be quite a degree of rationale behind not following specific MISRA rules to do with the embedded environment. Again, I'll come back and talk, I think, a little bit more about what some of those are.